Hi class, this is lab 7 for MEC 314. I am here with the LabView. I have the breadboard, I have myDAQ, I have the pot with ice and water on it, I have the stove to warm it up. Everything is connected right now. The only thing that I have to connect is myDAQ to the breadboard, and that should be everything. We'll see how these go right here. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, we're gonna run it, and then we can see right now the graph. The temperature is between negative. The LED is off because having reached the 70 to 100 degrees. Then so we can see is flat, completely flat right there. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the stove to see the changes. Okay, so we turn off the stove. It's on. We should be able to see the temperature going up. Okay, now we see the changes there. We see they start going to 1 degree from negative. Okay, start going up. The ice is already starting to melt, so we want to make sure that we see how it's going on. Okay. It would take a little while because we still have ice on it, but right now that's the degree that we have. Yep. And we see the curve going up the whole time. It's really nice how we see the temperature increasing. Our goal is to get to 70 degrees or 100 to see the lights going up. Once the ice melt, it should be going more up. We should be able to see the jump. Oh. That was that gap over there was the me trying to solve it, but it should be fine now. It went up. You see that jump right there? You start going up really quick. Okay. So you see now from 0, pretty much we cannot see the beginning of the chart because once we were in the negative and the chart start to move through, we can see a drop there. Going back to 10, 20 degrees Celsius, 25. Gonna go over there. Right now we don't have most of the ice already melt. So I want to make sure that right now we're in 25. I say. It kind of jumped to 30 something. It's gonna go to 30 now. So it may take a little while. Okay. Right now we have only slightly a couple of ice right now. All the ice it already melt. So I'll make sure that my thermostat is not drawing back there. Okay. I moved the thermostat on the water. That's the gap over there. But oh, sorry. Kind of went back. Let me put it more deep on the water. I should be able to record back, but that was an error. Oh, sorry, the error was there. Okay, now it should be continue. That was an error right there. Okay, I got a gap over there that I disconnected the ports here. But it's slightly going up. Right now we are at 40, 39, I would say. Yeah, 39, 40, we reached 40 already. The light is not quite yet. We want to see that LED coming on. Right now I put it on the stove is setting at 4 up 6. That's a kind of like high medium fire. Temperature right there is 45. Oh, let me turn on again. Want to make sure we get to that 70. We jump to 60. 50 something, 51, am I right? I'm looking at the chart. $55. It's kind of nice. It's kind of long time. Let me try to like increase the fire on it. Fire power. We're gonna increase it to 6 to see how that gonna jump effect. To make it like quick. Yeah, you see, it went from 58 to 60, and now the temperature should go higher. We have a 62, should be 62 soon, yeah. Right now the timing we have 8 minutes and 26 seconds. And keep increasing. We haven't reached the 70 yet. Right now, it's almost reached the 70. Boom, it reached the 71, so the lines start on. Oh. Lights is on. I don't think so. We want to get to the boiling point, yeah. So we can go. I hope my cable holds. I hope. The water's already start getting bubbling. So now you can see that curve going up. Water start to going Oh, you're almost in 80 degrees. Yep. Now, the higher the temperature gets, the quick the actual the temperature will increase. Also, you have to take into consideration that I increased the firepower was increased from setting 4 to setting 6. So right now we have okay, we are close to the 100. So after we reach 101 degrees, it should turn off. Right now the water starts to melt, to bubble. Okay. Water starts to bubble at the bottom of the pot. You can hear it if you press attention, like it's like bubbling. Right now you can see me connecting right here. Always right there. Yep. And we are kind of right here on the side. We have 91. Almost there. 90 degrees more. And our experiment is complete. Kind of stay there. That's point we want to see. Almost 6 degrees more, and we can see that due to the firepower, we can see that the scale is going like a stairs. It jump in bunches. So the right now is 94, 98. We are close there. We see now if we jump to 100, when you jump to the 100, I'm gonna turn off the stove to see how the temperature decrease. It's already started to melt, to boiling. My bad. And boom, it reached 100 right there. It started. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Now we're gonna see how the temperature start going down. 100, we have 100. Oh, 102. Stay. Can I stay over there a little bit? Now it start dropping because I turn off the stove. Okay. Then we're gonna see if it dropped enough quick. I don't wanna take more time on you all, but to make sure that now the lights is on, yeah. So we see like the light, the LED is on. So we're gonna see if the lights can be turned off again. It's a big drop over there. You see, start dropping more. And we're going over, yeah. In the meantime, we can see how it was addressed, yeah. I use a numeric constants for the top, 100 degrees, 70 degrees, and then I use it's called really quick. Oh, it's a breaking point. I can show you afterwards. Okay. I can press stop here. Yes, already 91. I know it will turn off eventually. 88 right now. you see the temperature start going down. Body's off, body's off. So let me stop this here. Boop. And now I want to show you what I use for it. Oh, it's the breaking point. Oh, I will stop it. Okay, right here, what you can see is you can find these on the function right here, and we're gonna put numeric. I use numeric. That was a comparison. Expression right here, and I use the wasn't that one. Let me go back. Sorry, I kind of forgot where it came from. Okay, right here, I think so. Oh, yeah. So in the range and coincidences. So this one is the one I use for this exercise to make sure that everyone understands it. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you for your time.